tool chests in Notion and how to generate complex layouts. Right, so we'll continue where we left off yesterday with the ever-useful tool chest in Notion. Today we'll look into how to generate complex layouts without completely ruining our tool chest. So we'll start a new page and we'll import our tool chest. We'll just go to the page of the tool chest. We'll click on the synced block with our tools. We'll click copy and sync. And then back in our main page, we'll just paste it. So to illustrate the problem we're tackling today, I'll create a very long callout. Then I'll create a template button, our tool of choice for the tool chest, and add this very long callout as content for the button. So whenever I click the button, this very long callout appears. When the button is inside the synced block, the content generated will also be inside the synced block, which means that as I generate more and more very long callouts, they will expand the synced block more and more. There is a trick for this. So what we're going to do here is that we're going to create a container page for the complex layout, in this case the long callout. We'll just create this container page and we'll drag the entire callout inside the page. And then we'll let the button generate a page rather than generate the actual callout. So now we've done that and we can generate pages containing layouts instead of the actual layout, which is great. But how do we get the layout on our page? So that's quite simple. First we move this container page to wherever we want the new content. Then we right click and we select turn into text. We can do this for one container page at a time, or we can select many and turn all of them into text at once. I hope you enjoyed this short little video tutorial. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow.